Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are keeping well. Dear students, here I am back again with a new video for a new chapter from algebra, that is chapter 6 integers. Okay, and integers, this is a completely new topic for you. Anyhow, it is related from the previous chapters that you have studied in your previous classes. Integer is also a type of number. Okay, you have studied about various types of numbers, na? Whole numbers, natural numbers, like that only it is. Now we are going to study about integers. This is an introduction video students. Here I will be making you clear with each and every concept that we will be using for solving this integers chapter. Okay, and this chapter has total 3 exercises and all these topics we will be understanding and we will be using for solving those exercises. So students, without any delay, let us start the video. So first topic that we are going to see is introduction to integers. But before this, let us once again revise about whole numbers and natural numbers, students. Whole numbers in your 6th standard 2nd chapter only you have studied, na? Whole numbers. Okay. So students, what do you mean by whole numbers? Whole number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2 and it goes on. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Isn't it? Then we know that whole number has 0 but natural number starts from 1. So all the natural numbers comes for whole numbers also. Okay, all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers because whole number has 0 and natural number doesn't have 0. Okay students, so this much is enough. Already you have learned enough about whole numbers and natural numbers. Then what are integers, students? Okay, let us see. Here I have written 1 and 2. Okay, same numbers I have written here, but with these numbers I am placing a minus sign in front of them. Okay, 1 and 1 both are same, na? But this one has minus with it, 2 and 2 both are same, but the second 2 has minus with it, and I am writing 0 also. Okay, 0 is a whole number. It is as well as integer. Here 1, 2 are natural numbers or whole numbers, but as well as they are integers also. What about this number? How to read this number? I am going to read it as minus 1. It will be read as minus 2. Clear students? 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 and 0. Students, this type of numbers only form integers. Okay. Now let us see this in detail. See students, if a number has negative sign with it, that means it is a negative number. Okay, negative sign means minus sign. If a number is written with minus sign, you will call it as a negative number. Okay, and here you can see 1 and 2 are not written with any number with any sign in front of them, na? So they are positive numbers. Okay students, they are positive numbers. For negative we put minus. Opposite of negative is positive. For positive we can put plus, means for positive it is plus only, but no need to show plus with the number to show that it is positive. If 1 is written without any sign, it should be understood that it is a positive number only. Clear students? So positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0 form integers. See how simple is the definition of integers. Okay, integers involve positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Clear students? Okay, so this means minus 1 or 10, 0, minus 3, 50, all these are integers. These are the examples of integers. Students, 10 is a natural number? Yes it is. 10 is a whole number? Yes it is. But is 10 an integer? So your answer will be yes, 10 is an integer also. Okay, here minus 1. Minus 1 is an integer. So minus 1 is a whole number. Is minus 1 a whole number, students? No, because it has a negative sign. Neither it is a whole number nor it is a natural number, but it is an integer. Clear students? Okay, so this is just about integers, positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0 form integers. So now you are going to learn such numbers which will have minus sign in front of them. That's all for the introduction, students. Itna hi integers ka introduction. Okay, but what we are going to learn about integers, now let us see that in our next topic. Okay, So let us see our second topic. What is written for the second topic that we are going to see? Second topic is integers, we have cleared. Second topic is number line, students. Okay, a line which has numbers, that is called number line. With name only it is clear, na? But here what you are going to do is you are going to represent integers on number line. Number line is used to represent integers, students. Okay, remember this. Number line is used to represent integers, to show integers. But how to draw a number line? You can simply take a line like this. Always remember, while drawing the number line, the center point you are going to plot as 0. Okay, this is the center of my number line and here 0 will come. One more thing, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 na hi positive hota hai, na hi negative hota hai. 0 is just a number, okay, just an integer you can say. Okay, now students, which is this side of 0? What this side of 0 will be called? It is right side or left side? Okay, it is right side. Then the side opposite to right will be your left side. Isn't it, students? 0, then it has right side and left side. Always remember, students, as we are representing integers on number line, positive numbers will be written on the right side. Here I will write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear, students? Then if positive numbers are written on this side, then negative numbers will be written on the opposite side of 0, means here. Again it will start with -1 only, okay, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Clear, students? This is the number line. You can see this is the number line. It has 0, positive numbers and negative numbers both. While drawing number line, keep one point in mind, that the distance between 2 points should be equal. Okay, the distance between two integers should be equal. So students, on the right side of number line we write positive integers, on the left side of the number line we write negative integers. Now how to show the integers on the number line? Suppose such questions you are going to get. You have to show -2 on the number line. In your textbook you will get a question, represent -2 on the number line. So what you are going to do? You will draw a number line, then just plot -2 on it. Plot or mark or show -2 on it. Where -2 is written here, na? So I can show it like this. Here -2 is written. Clear, students? Or if you have to show -7 on the number line, -7, but here how much I have written? It is only up to -5. No problem, let us extend the number line. Let us extend it. Okay, here I will mark -6, here I will mark -7, and like this I will show -7. How easy it is, isn't it? Suppose if you want to show +5, here is your +5. +5 means it is not written with negative sign, that means it is a positive number, plus sign is with it. No need to show it separately. So +5 is like this. So this is the way how to show integers on the number line, students. Clear? Then one most important thing I want to tell you about number line, about integers is, here students, first tell me about positive side. 1 or 5, which is greater? 1 is greater or 5 is greater? Obviously your answer is 5 will be the greater number. Now let's talk about the left side of the number line, where you have written negative integers. Here my question is, -1 is greater or -4 is greater, students? -1 is greater or -4 is greater? जब तक मैं बताऊंगी नहीं तब तक आपको ये लगेगा कि -4 is greater, but no, students, here I will tell you that -1 will be greater. -1 is greater than -4. Do you want to know the reason why? See, students, for number line, for integers, as the number increases, its value decreases. Negative number I am talking about, okay? As the negative number increases, its value decreases. Which number is written closest to 0? It is -1, na? So -1 will be greater than all the other negative numbers, students. Okay, now if we'll compare -5 and -7, which negative number is more? -7 is more. What I am telling you, as the digit increases, its value decreases. So in comparison for -5 and -7, as -7 is a greater digit but it is having negative sign with it, so its value will be less than -5. So here -7 is less than -5. I hope this point is clear to you students. Okay. So that's all for showing or representing integers on number line. Now let us see our next topic. Next topic is addition or subtraction of integers on number line. You know simple addition and subtraction, na? Now this operations we are going to perform using number line, students. Let us see one example. Suppose the question is 2 more than 3. You will get such question, 2 more than 3. Represent this using number line or solve this or add. Okay, simply solve this using number line. Okay, so what I will do, first I will draw the number line. Okay students, more means what? Plus or minus. It is understood now. More means ज़्यादा. So for taking more you are going to take plus. If it is less how we denote? Less we denote using negative sign. So here for sure it is more, then we are going to add only. 2 is a positive number or negative number? Yes, of course it is a positive number. Here 3 is also a positive number. Means whatever calculation I will do, the result will be positive only because both the numbers are positive, na? So that's why I'll mark 0 here as we are simply representing it. I told you that 0 should always be in middle on the number line. Yes, of course, but here I have to show positive digits, okay, and nothing is there for negative digits. So some space only you can show for negative digits, okay. So here I am writing -1, -2. Clear students? Because there is no other number, there is no other negative number for now for which we have to work for. So that's all. But here I will take some more numbers. Okay. Now let's start our work. 2 more than 3 means take 3 and more than 3. How much more than 3? 2 more. First take 3 and then take 2 more, students. So what you are going to do? First you have to take 3. ऐसा ही बोल रहा है ना क्वेश्चन में, 2 more than 3. 3 से 2 ज़्यादा. So first we will reach to 3. First we will indicate 3 here. Okay students. Okay, I am at 3 now. Now I have to take 2 more. 2 more means, always remember this students, more or plus means you have to move to the right on the number line. Okay, but if it is less, okay, if it is less or negative, then you have to come to the left side of the number line. For right you have to go to the for more you have to go to the right side of the number line. For less you have to come back to the left side of the number line. Okay, for now it is more. So from 3 I will go 2 steps more, students. 1, 2. Okay, so where I reached 5, and also we know that 3 plus 2 will give us 5. Clear students? One more example let us see. Suppose it is, I am rubbing this. Okay, suppose it is 2 or 3 more than -1. 3 more than -1, students, means first we have to go to -1 and then we have to take 3 more. More means which side you will go? Right side or left side? You want to add the numbers, na? So you are going to move to the right side. We'll start with -1, students. First I will go to -1. How many steps you have to take? 3 steps. Look to the right side. 1, 2, 3. Where I reached, students? I reached at 2. Okay. So -1 plus 3. यही किया ना हमने. We started from -1, then we have taken 3 more steps. Then where we have reached? We have reached at 2. So this is your answer, your addition which you have done on the number line. Clear students? Okay, so this was the addition on the number line. Now let us see one more example for subtraction now. suppose 5 or 3 less than 2. This is the question, students. 3 less than 2. I'll quickly draw a number line. Okay, this is a number line. 3 less than 2 means 2 say 3 come. So first you have to go to 2, isn't it? So here I'll come at 2, and now how many steps I have to take? I have to take 3 steps. Which side, students? To the right side or to the left side? What I told you, if less is there, आपको opposite में आना है, आपको numbers कम करने. That means you are going to move to the left side on the number line. From where? From 2. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Where I reach, students? I reached at -1. It means that 2 minus 3 will give you -1. This is the subtraction and addition of integer, students. Okay, so here answer also can be a negative integer. Understood, students? Then if it is, let us see one more example. If it is 4 or 2 less than 4. 2 less than 4 means first go at 4 and take 2 steps back, you will reach at 2. We know na 4 minus 2 is 2. So like this we add or subtract using the number line, students. Clear? Okay. Now after this topic, after completion of this topic, let's move to the last topic for this chapter, that is addition or subtraction of integers without number line. Just now we have added and subtracted the integers using number line, but you will get some such questions where you will be asked to simply solve the integers without using number line. This is a very important concept, students. This concept you are going to use in your further classes and it is for lifetime. Okay, so first let me clear that concept. See, for this topic I will be telling you some rules. That rules we will be using for solving, for understanding this topic, and this you have to note down in your notebook also. Rules for addition or subtraction of integers, students. Look, you will have 2 integers. Suppose one integer is a negative integer and another one is a positive integer. Okay, you are understanding now. One is positive, one is negative. Sorry, one is negative and another one is positive. So your answer will be, look, means which operation you are going to do. Minus plus will give you minus. If you are having 2 types of integers, a positive and a negative, so you are going to subtract. Okay, so minus plus is minus. Okay, then suppose the first integer is a positive one and the second integer is a negative one, students. First integer is a positive integer, second is a negative integer. So which operation you have to do? Plus or minus? Let us see. Plus minus, on clubbing up, again you will get minus, students. So when opposite signs you have to solve, then the result will be minus only. Always remember, when opposite sign you are adding or subtracting, the operation will be minus only. So minus plus minus plus minus minus. By heart this, okay? Plus minus 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 plus minus. Then if the same operations are there, means if the same type of integer is there, both the integers are positive, then you are going to do addition only. Okay, so students, plus is equals to plus, and if again both the integers are negative integers, means having negative sign with it, no problem, still you are going to add them. इसीलिए आप ये ट्रिक याद करोगे, when opposite signs are there we have to subtract. Okay, when opposite integers are there, actually when opposite integers are there you have to subtract, but when same types of integers are there, suppose positive integers, so you have to add, suppose negative integers, still you have to add. So by heart these rules, note these rules in your notebook. Minus plus minus, plus minus minus, plus plus plus, minus minus plus. By heart this. Okay, now after making clear, after clearing these rules, let us see some examples also. So first I will show you some example for addition of integers without number line. If it is written like this, students, -1 plus 5. Look, minus plus means this one is a negative integer, this one is having plus sign with it, means positive integer. And which operation you are supposed to do now, that we have to see. Okay, so what I told you, students, माइनस प्लस माइनस, तो मुझे ये पता है दैट आई हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर. ओके, सो 1 minus 5 will give you 4, isn't it? But still we have not got our final answer. Again a new topic, students. While adding or subtracting integers, you have to again keep in mind one thing, that after solving them you have to see for which integer is greater, and it is written with sign. Okay, means here 1 and 5, which, not integer, just the number. Okay, which number is greater here, 1 is greater or 5? See students, I am not talking about integer, means मैंने आपको ये नहीं बोला है कि -1 या 5. I am just telling you, you have to see numbers. Now ignore this sign, just see what is written here. 1 is written here, 5 is written. Which number is greater here? 5 is greater. It is having which sign? Plus sign. So that means your answer will also have plus sign with it. This is the rule. Okay, and this rule we use while adding or subtracting the integers. What you have to think, after clubbing up the signs, means after doing minus plus minus or minus minus plus, what you have to think is which number is greater. That number sign only will come with your answer. And just now I told you now that no need to write plus if a number is positive. If I will write 4 as it is without any sign, it is understood that it is a positive integer. Okay, few more examples I will give you, students. Suppose it is -10 plus 5. इसी क्वेश्चन को मैंने चेंज किया, -10 plus 5. Again what you have to do here, you have to do the operation on integers na. So let's see, first integer is a negative one and second integer is a positive one. So we know that if opposite integers are there, then we have to subtract. So students, minus plus minus, 10 minus 5 will give me 5. Isn't it? यहाँ खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Again what you have to think, which number is greater? Here 10 is greater or 5 is greater? 10 is greater. With which sign, students? 10 बड़ा है ना, 10 और 5 में 10 is the greater number. With which sign? Minus sign. So in answer also I'll put minus sign. Answer is -5. Okay students. Then if the number is like this, now the first number is a positive one and second number is a negative one, then again plus minus minus, 10 minus 5 will give me 5. Which number is greater here? 10 is greater with positive sign, so with answer also it is positive, means the answer is also a positive one. Okay, then now see what I have written. I have written 2 negative integers only. So if the integers are same type of integers, either 2 negative integers or 2 positive integers, what you have to do? You have to add only. Okay, so minus minus plus, 10 plus 5, 15. Then what you have to think, students, which number is greater here? 10 is greater or 5 is greater? 10 is greater. It is written with negative sign. So you are going to put negative sign with your answer also. Clear? And if it is simply 10 plus 5, both the numbers are positive. Okay, both the integers are positive integers. So simply you have to write 15 here. So like this we add or subtract integers without number line also. Clear students? This is it in the introduction part. Okay, using these concepts only we are going to solve all the 3 exercises. I hope each and every topic is clear to you. If any confusion, you can message and ask. So note it down, and then in the next video we are going to start our first exercise, that is exercise 6.1. That's all for today, students. Thank you.